So my name is Yoselin Benitez-Alfonso, and I am professor in interdisciplinary plant science here at the Faculty of Biological Sciences in Leeds. And our work is mainly focused on cell walls in plants and how they change during the fruit maturation. So aiming to actually modify cell walls so that that we can obtain bigger fruits that are more nutritious, but also that we reduce the impact of climate change into food security. So here in the stand, we have sections of the fruit, of tomato fruit, where you can actually appreciate the composition of the cell wall, where we have here a model in it. And also, we also working on understanding how materials from these cell walls that can be extracted from waste, from agricultural waste, can be converted into bioplastic, and aiming to substitute the plastic that is used today in the making of the many commodities that we have. So a few things here. For example, here there is one cellulose film, and there is one plastic film, and basically only by looking at it you will then be able to identify one from the another, making sure that we actually have the technology to do this, to making plastic from cellulose, but it's quite an expensive process. It also requires that farmers are identified with this option, and they separate their waste, their lignocellulosic waste, from other plastic. And that's part of the work that we are doing at the University of Leeds.